Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Twitch VOD exports into Google Photos, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Twitch VOD exports into Google Photos, start by opening your Twitch account. Navigate to your creator dashboard. In the left-hand menu, select Content. Then, click on Video Producer. Locate the VOD you wish to backup. Next, click on the More button next to the VOD. From the drop-down, choose Download. Wait for the file to download to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now, open your web browser to access Google Photos. Log in to your Google account if you aren't already signed in. In Google Photos, click on the Upload button. Choose Computer from the drop-down menu. Select the downloaded Twitch VOD file from your folders. Click on Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Once uploaded, your VOD will appear in your Google Photos library. To ensure it's backed up, refresh your Google Photos page and confirm its presence. You can organize the video into albums if desired. Now you have successfully backed up your Twitch VOD export into Google Photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.